Alright, welcome back everyone. This is Brandon again. So let's go ahead and add some JavaScript to our Livingston Fjord theme. Now this is going to be a relatively simple exercise. We're going to go ahead and add some DOM variables. We're going to add in the sign-in modal as well as a click event for closing the nav. So this should give us a particular experience with the navigation when we are accessing the site from a mobile device. So again, I have my server running in my terminal. I have my theme here so I can quickly deploy my changes. I have my editor up, and I have my source and my exercise source. So let's start by going to our exercise source, and just like we did before, we're going to take the main.js from our exercise source and place it in our theme.js folder. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and open up our main.js. We already have some starting code here for our Liferay sign-in modal. So like I said, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add in some of our variables, and then we'll go ahead and add in our click event as well. So let's go ahead and highlight this first comment here. Type in LFR, go ahead and grab that first snippet. Again, if you'd like, you can see in the instructions that you can go ahead and type this out, so feel free to pause the video and type this out if you'd like. But we're just creating some basic variables as well as our if statement here that simply says if we are not redirected, then we are going to be shown the sign-in modal. So once we have this, we can go ahead and add our click event. So we can go ahead and highlight this second section here, type LFR, and we can go ahead and add in this new snippet here. And again, you can go ahead and type this if you'd like. So what this will do is it will basically allow us to collapse the nav when we are redirected to the sign-in modal. So this just gives us, again, a very basic experience. Once we click on sign-in, we want to go ahead and see the sign-in modal. We can go ahead and log in from there. If we're in a mobile device, we can go ahead and actually close the navigation from there as well. So let's go ahead and deploy our basic JavaScript changes here. And again, feel free, if you'd like, you can go ahead and add some more custom JavaScript here as well. If you want to modularize any of this, you can go ahead and add some JavaScript in a different file and include it in this one. So feel free to have fun with this one, or you can just stick here with the exercise. So I'm going to go ahead and run gulp deploy. We should see our changes once this has deployed. So we see it's available for use, and we're started. So let's go ahead and come back here and we can refresh. Now, because of the theme, we don't see the user panel here immediately. So what I can do, and you can just go ahead and watch if you'd like, you can go to configure page, and I should see the user panel show up here. I can sign out just to test the modal. And when I click on sign in down here at the bottom, it's going to show the modal pop up here for me. So I'm going to go ahead and sign back in, and we're ready to get to the next section. So in the next section, Alex is going to go ahead and talk about how you can configure the theme, and then we'll come back and add some theme configurations to the Livingston Fjord theme as well. See you guys in the next exercise.